Hey there, it's me, Brad the Mortgage Guy. So, what's happened since our last update Thursday? Let me tell you, the jobs report. Supposedly, the jobs report was, better than expected. The headline will read as such. The numbers are deceiving though. The unemployment rate stayed the same. The expectation for employment numbers was on target, or actually better than target, but because people dropped out of the market is why unemployment rate stayed the same. So not so good. Inflation numbers due out tomorrow. It's expected to be bad, 8.8% year over year. A whopping 1.1% in June alone. So why am I talking about all this as it pertains to mortgage rates? Well, despite some in the media trying to paint a rosier picture, all indicators are still pointing towards recession. So that's not great, but crazy enough, most recessions have been good for the real estate market. Sure, we all remember 2008. We're a little bit shell-shocked from that, but 2008 was the most recent, so hey, there was a housing bubble. We know that, but the indicators are not pointing towards the same thing. All the numbers are pretty good. So maybe those indicators are wrong and we're in for a pop, but the numbers tell us housing prices will remain stable or at a low rate of appreciation, but not depreciation. Do you believe the numbers? I don't know either, but what I do know is recessions move rates lower. So we are absolutely expecting rates to decline as the year comes towards an end. And mortgage rates are forward thinking. So as recession becomes more and more inevitable, you'll start to see rates decline. We're up for a volatile ride though through the end of the year, but most are predicting that rates are about as high as they're gonna get. Could they inch up a little bit and come back down? Sure. Still unknown how quickly they will come down though, but it does look like we're close to, if not at that peak. So how quickly do they come down? That answer largely depends on how quickly recession hits and how quickly inflation is brought under control. So stay tuned for Thursday when we digest the latest inflation reports. That's it. We'll talk to you on Thursday.